Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop in Crystal Lake, Illinois. Hey, I wanted to bring you a very quick video on the LT that's on the lift back here. It's in here for a clutch, so I'm not going to make a video about that. I've made enough of those. What this one is, though, is something I noticed on this LT, and it might be a problem that some of you guys are having out there with your suspension if you've never changed out your springs or you've never had a really good look at your shocks. I think what's going on with this motorcycle behind me is the front suspension has collapsed. So what I see here in the front is the distance between the front fender and the light. There's almost no room here. I can't even get my hand in at all. And there's no added weight on this. There are some straps on here that are pulled down pretty tight. Another indicator here is this bend in the brake line. It's very sharp. There's a really strong bend. Now this guy's going to get new brake lines while it's in here, but you can tell by looking at it, normally it has more of a gentle curve to it. One other indicator is how much room you can see. I'm trying to hold two things at once. There's a lot of room here between this A-arm and the engine. Normally you can't really see inside there all that well to get down in there and inspect that hose that's underneath there and some of the intake parts. So what I'm going to do right now is I've got a little scissor jack placed underneath the engine, and I'm going to lift up the engine to try to bring the suspension back up, and that's going to be the ultimate indicator as to whether or not this suspension has indeed collapsed. Well, here we go. So this is pulling down on here, so it's not going to go anywhere. It's holding the wheel down on the lift, and yeah, you can see. Yeah, it's definitely changing quite a bit. The other thing which I didn't show on camera was there was almost no room left in the shocks. You can't see the shock towers on there very good. So as you can see now, I got lots of room in here. This is about where it should be. You can see there's a lot of room now here. And this in here is now a more gentle curve. Now there's not much room there either. So, and the ball joint doesn't have quite as a severe angle on it. So I'll be recommending to this guy that we really should, it actually needs to still come down just a little bit further, but I'm going to recommend that this guy, we change out his spring there. It might have a bad shock in the front. I wouldn't know that until I got it off of there. And that's it. So guys, that's all this video is going to be. Just a little quick eval video, and hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy some of my other videos that are out there. I got a lot of them out there on this LT and other models. If you want us to help support the channel, please check out the links below. And if you want to grab one of these nice hoodies or one of my t-shirts, then that link is right down in the description below. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.